Xtra Wash has everything you need for doing your laundry. Is doing laundry a chore to you? Laundry gets easier with Xtra Wash laundry range. Today, Julian bring to you 2 new additions into Xtra Wash laundry product range that become Xtra Wash Laundry Prewash, Xtra Wash Fabric Softener. Xtra Wash Laundry Prewash is what you need to pre-treat the stains on your clothes. It works on the toughest stains such as dirt, rust, ketchup, ink, lipstick, mud, grease and oil effectively. As you can see, by just spraying a little bit on the spot, leave for 2 minutes and wash it as usual, stains can be removed in a glimpse. It is gentle on fabrics, it only removes the stains, not the color. Won't cause discoloration of color-fast clothes. Ideal for everyday laundry, including cottons, linens and durable synthetic fabrics such as nylon and polyester. Furthermore, Xtra Wash Laundry Prewash is made of bioenzymes, non-toxic, contains no harsh ingredients, totally safe to be used on laundry for your whole family. In case your kids stain their school uniform again, don't worry, now you have Xtra Wash Laundry Prewash to remove any stains on clothes. Not only you can use Xtra Wash Laundry Prewash on laundry, you can use it to clean stains on your carpet, sofa, or bed too. A superb product that helps to remove any tough stains. Want to protect your clothes and add softness to your laundry? Use Xtra Wash Fabric Softener. Xtra Wash Fabric Softener is a softening formulation that is anti-static, makes it smooth and easy to iron too. Using this product during the final rinse of your laundry strengthen yet soften the fibers of the fabric, making your clothes as good as new, maintains their shape and color and smells fresh and feels soft. Xtra Wash's high concentrated formulations allow you to clean more with less. Choose Xtra Wash for superb cleaning and great savings.